everyone, it's me, Len Dragon, ang babaeng dragon na di bumubuga ng apoy, and we're here to greet happy monetization sa ating CC Ganda Bicol. Ayan, so to you CC Ganda Bicol, ayan, thank you for choosing to be my channel member, and ngayon, nakamit mo na ang pagiging monetize after all your hardship and pagsusumikap para mag-LS na mahabang mga LS and maglagay ng mga palabas or mga videos sa yung YouTube channel. I thank God that ayan, finally ay naging monetized channel ka na, and I'm happy that I have been a part of your success. Ayan, and I'm praying to God because si Ganda Bicol din is isang believer of God, isa din siyang Christian from JIL, Jesus is Lord. So to you CC Ganda Bicol, ayan, mula kay Len Dragon, ay bumabati ako ng happy monetization, and nawa is lagi ka i-bless ni Lord para mas lalo pang maging successful ang yung YouTube channel. And ayan, sa family, always protection, good health, and love and understanding to each other. At saludo ko sa iyo, CC Ganda Bicol, because isa din siyang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. Hindi pa man kami nakikita ni Sis Ganda Bicol, but I'm so thankful to God na nakilala ko siya dito sa mundo ng YT, and who knows, maybe by God's permission and God's will, magkikita rin kami in God's perfect time. So, happy monetization again, Sis Ganda Bicol. Pagbati ni Lendagon, ang babaeng dragon na di bumubugan apoy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all our YouTube channel. This is me, Lendagon, ang babaeng dragon na di bumubugan apoy, saying I love you all from the bottom of my heart and my balunan. God bless us all, mama. Chup chup, bye bye.